In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Groupon. We will start right from your web browser, so look at whatever browser you normally use, like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Click into the address bar at the top, then type the word Groupon, spelled Groupon, and let the browser search. On the results page, you should see several entries appear, usually with Groupon near the top. Take a second to scan so you can spot the official Groupon website. Once the search results have loaded, you are ready for the next move. Look carefully for the correct link that leads to the official Groupon homepage. It will usually say Groupon and mention deals or coupons, and the address will include the word Groupon. Avoid any result that looks like an ad for a single store or a random blog, since those will not help you sign in. When you are confident you have the right one, click that Groupon link. The page will open and you should soon see the Groupon logo and a layout with deals and categories. Now that the Groupon homepage is open, we can head to the sign-in area. Look at the very top right corner of the screen. There you should see a button or text that says Sign In or Sign Up. It will sit in the upper bar, often near the cart icon or profile icon. Move your mouse to that Sign In or Sign Up option and click it. Right after you click, a sign-in or account window will appear, usually centered on the page, showing different ways to access your account. With that menu visible, it is time to choose how you want to get into Groupon. On this screen, you will see several choices, such as logging in or signing up with Google, Apple, Facebook, or using an email address. If you pick Google, Apple, or Facebook, clicking that option will open a small window asking you to confirm which account to use and give permission. If you choose email, look for the boxes where you can type your email address and, if needed, your password or name for a new account. Take a moment to make sure there are no typing mistakes, especially in your email address, since a single wrong letter can stop Groupon from recognizing you. Once everything is entered and your preferred option is selected, click the Continue button that appears on that same screen. After a brief pause, the window will close and you should see that you are now signed in, usually shown by your name or profile icon appearing at the top right. You have now successfully signed in to Groupon using your preferred method. So if this walkthrough helped you get into your account, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple guides like this.